Friday's disappointing US IP data left the dollar weaker against the euro and the yen, so stay with us to find out the top news which may affect your trades this week, as reported by investing.com and brought to you by Dukascopy TV. Ahead of the coming week, investing.com has compiled a list of these and other significant events likely to affect the markets. On Monday, Switzerland is to release a report on retail sales. Markets in Canada will be closed for the Patriots' Day holiday. Tuesday is busy with the RBA publishing its latest minutes following the rate cut. New Zealand will release inflation data and the UK will publish its CPI report. The German ZEW is also due before US housing starts, and then Canada's Pelosi speech will be closely watched by loony traders. The Bank of England will release their meeting minutes and the ECB will do the same on Thursday. China's HSBC data is also due on this day, as well as US jobless claims. On Friday, the Bank of Japan will release its monetary policy decision and hold a press conference. The German LFO report will be available, and the week will be rounded off with reports from the US and Canada on consumer inflation. Crude futures fell on Friday but ended higher for the week, boosted by the weaker dollar, as concerns over the recent rally in prices running out of momentum persisted. Crude futures for June delivery settled down 0.32% on the New York Mercantile Exchange. For the week, the contract rose 0.5%. Brent crude for July delivery, the global benchmark, added 0.2% on the ICE Futures Exchange. The contract rose 0.98% on the week. The IEA also said the first drop in oil stocks since January, the week before last, did not spell the end of inventory builds, pointing to signs that petroleum product stocks are rising. This week, the EIA is to release its weekly report on crude stockpiles on Wednesday, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. Gold futures for June delivery closed at $1,223.6 a troy ounce on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange. For the week, the contract rose 3.06%, the largest weekly percentage gain since January. Meanwhile, an industry report released on Thursday showed that global gold demand decreased 1% in the first 3 months of the year, as growth in Indian jewellery buying failed to completely offset declining Chinese demand. The World Gold Council said demand totalled 1079.3 metric tonnes in the first quarter, down from 1090 tonnes in the first 3 months of 2014. Well, that's all for this week's Market Glance. Find out how all these events and more unfold by sticking with us here at Dukascopy TV. Goodbye.